CIO is here as audience, so just a little remark. Excellencies, distinguished guests, colleagues, partners from government and industries, and representatives of Ethiopian cyber security communities, and colleagues from United Nations Economic Commission for Africa. It's a privilege to address to you today at this important conference dedicated to secure digital transformation and the responsible use of artificial intelligence. Ethio Telecom plays fundamental role in Ethiopia's national development and digital transformation agenda. As the country's leading telecom operator, our responsibility extends beyond connectivity. We are a key national enabler of digital inclusion, economic growth, and public service modernization. Over the years, we have supported Ethiopia's transition toward a more connected and digitally enabled society where individuals, businesses, and government institutions can access services, communicate, and innovate more effectively. At the center of our work is a simple principle. Technology must serve people, and digital progress must be inclusive, reliable, and trusted. This commitment is further reinforced through Ethio Telecom's Next Horizon strategy, which positions the company not only as a telecommunication operator, but as a leading catalyst for a digitally empowered Ethiopia and contributor to Africa's digital future. Our vision is to be the leading catalyst for a thriving, digitally empowered Ethiopia and beyond, supported by a mission to accelerate digital transformation through reliable connectivity, innovative digital solutions, and inclusive digital financial services. The strategy is built around priorities including digital transformation and inclusion, technology innovation and AI, platform economy and fintech, cybersecurity and data privacy, digital infrastructure leadership, strategic partnership, and sustainability. These priorities strongly align with Africa Union Digital Transformation Strategy and UNECA's vision for a connected, innovative, and digitally resilient Africa. As Africa accelerates its digital journey, cybersecurity must be recognized not merely as a technical requirement, but as a strategic enabler of economic growth, digital trust, regional integration, and innovation. Without trust, digital transformation cannot achieve its full potential. Artificial intelligence is becoming an important part of how modern organizations operate and evolve. At Ethio Telecom, we are embracing AI as a strategic capability to improve customer experience, optimize operations, strengthen decision-making, and anticipate the future needs. However, the value of AI can only be realized when it is guided by strong governance, accountability, ethics, and security. Cybersecurity is no longer a supporting function, as I said before. It is a fundamental pillar of trust, resilience, and sustainable growth. We view cybersecurity as a strategic enabler that protects our customers, safeguards national infrastructure, and ensures continuity of essential services. Secure digital transformation is not only also a technology journey, it is a leadership journey. It requires vision, coordination, and a shared commitment across institutions, industries, governments, academia, and international organizations like UNECA. No single organization can achieve this vision alone. We must work together to ensure that innovation strengthens trust and that trust enables sustainable innovation. As we look toward the future, we see tremendous opportunities for Africa to become a global leader in digital innovation, artificial intelligence, fintech, and digital public services. Ethio Telecom remains committed to supporting Ethiopia's and Africa's digital transformation journey through secure connectivity, trusted digital platforms, responsible AI adoptions, and resilient cybersecurity capabilities. Let's work together to build a digital future where innovation accelerates development, security strengthens trust, and trust unlocks sustainable growth for generations to come. Digital transformation succeeds only when it is built on trust, and the trust is sustained through responsibility. I thank you.